The only other extra work you need to do is, from my experience, dates are treated very poorly. Dates are kind of complex in Excel. When you have a date, unfortunately, some computers' dates are English US, some computers' dates are English UK, and if you don't know what your computer is, your dates could be messed up in your system. So what I tend to do when it comes to dates is I tend to not accept Power Query's data type, as in you see change type here. I don't want Power Query to change my data type. They should leave the data type as it is. Then I will programmatically change it. I'm going a bit advanced here. I'm going to use M code, because right now, when I brought this data from the data source, if you look at the dates are what? Are they MDY or DMY? What do you think the dates are?
DMY.
Exactly. See, the dates are DMY, right? So since the dates are DMY, we need to tell Power Query that, hey, this date is DMY. Please convert it to a valid date. And unfortunately, there's no quick option here that says, hey, when the date is DMY, convert it to a valid date. We need to be able to write M code ourselves. So I'm going to write M code. It's a bit advanced. So I'm going to go to add column, and I'm going to add a new column. In adding a new column, it's going to bring a dialog box. It says, okay, you're adding a new column. I'm going to call this my column date, right?
Okay.
Now, the M code I'm going to write here, if you go online to Google and type Power Query language, you will see some articles, or you see a very detailed booklet that I can download on all the codes about M. So what I'm going to do here, I already know the M code is going to be date.fromText. M code is case sensitive. So I'm writing my M code. I'm saying I want to take a date that is from text, which is currently called trade date. And I want to tell you, Power Query, that this trade date is currently formatted as English Great Britain. Now, this is a very specific M code. So I'm telling it that I want to construct a date that is going to use trade date, which is currently English Great Britain, and I want you to convert it from text to a date. That's the code. So I now click OK. It's going to create a new column. So that new column, can you see it here? The new column has been created, and this is the valid correct date. Power Query has created the correct date. I can drag this date maybe to the first column. I've created the correct date. Thanks for watching another training video from dbrownconsulting. See you in the next video.